we are going to write an equation of a line using the slope-intercept formula. And this is called the slope-intercept formula because all you need is m and b, and you can write the equation of the line. So if m is 2, the y-intercept is 5, that's the b is y-intercept, m is slope, the equation of the line would be 2x plus 5. You literally just plug in the numbers in the correct spot. If m is 1/2 and b is -3, your answer would be 1/2 x plus a -3, or 1/2 x minus 3. And don't forget to put your y equals. Last, we're going to use the point slope formula. Now, why do we call this the point slope formula? Because you need a point and a slope. And what do? You plug it in. So this is the first point and only point that I gave you. So that's why you have a 1, because it is the first point, the first x, the first y. And now you literally just plug it in where it goes. So y minus y1, so you put 3. M is 4. We don't do anything for the x, but we do use 2 for x1. And now it is in point slope form. Okay? Now we will show you either later on in this video or in class, I haven't decided yet, how to solve this for y, so that when you finish, it will be y equals mx plus b. So we will change it from point slope into slope intercept. But as of right now, we're going to say stop. It is in point slope form. In class, you will be given a worksheet like this, and it says, or this worksheet, write the equation of the line with a slope of -4 and y-intercept 6. So that would be y equals -4x plus 6. Be careful on this last one. When the slope is 0, I am going to use another number here so that when you get to class, you don't copy what I write. So I'm going to change this to 8. And so you could write y equals 0x plus 8. But I want you to go past that. This is 0 times x. I want you to simplify this. So that goes away. So the answer is y equals 8. Not 0x plus 8. So you should write y equals 8 as your answer. And how do we know that? Remember the slope guy? What did it say about equations that have slope of 0? If this is the slope, the line looks like this. And what do we know about horizontal lines? Horizontal lines on a graph are y values because they cross the y-axis. So this is y equals 8. All right. Now let's talk about how to use point slope to do number 6. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We plug in, this is x1, this is y1, so y minus 10 equals 3, x minus 3. Uh-oh, I made a mistake, didn't I? I put the slope in the x1 spot, and x1 is supposed to be 1. Uh-oh. Make that a 1. Okay, so let's check our work. y1 is 10, x1 is 1, slope is 3. Now, I guess I can go ahead and show you how to put this in slope-intercept form. Distribute, so you get 3x minus 3. And now we need to get y by itself, so move the 10. He is subtracted, so we must add him only to this one because he doesn't have a letter. This and this are constants. This has an x on it, so you cannot add 10 to that. You can divide anything here, but you cannot add everything there, or anything there, I'm sorry. So y equals 3x plus 7. And that is your final answer. I'm not going to do any more on this page, but I will show you one other example. If this is your problem, how would we solve it? How do we change this from point slope into slope intercept? How do we go from y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 and change that down to y equals mx plus b? Okay, how do we do that? Distribute, so that's 4x minus 4. And now do the inverse operation of this. So I'm going to add. Cancel, cancel, y equals 4x minus 1. And now it is in slope-intercept form, and if you wanted to graph it, you could. Okay, now what we're going to do on the next page, we are going to find the slope in the y-intercept and then write the equation of the line. So let's do that. The first thing we have to do is find the correct points. So I cannot use this point here because it's not directly between the two lines where they intersect. So find where this line crosses through the corner of the box or through the intersection like it does there. I can't use him. I can't use him. Oh, I can use him. I can't use him. Oh, but I can use that one. So now I have enough to find the slope. And it's going up 1, 2, 3, so rising 3 and running once. Let's try another one. Rising 1, 2, 3 and running once. So it is 3 over 1 is my slope, or just 3. So that's m. The y-intercept is going to be where it crosses the y-axis. And it crosses the y-axis at 2. Negative 2. So now I have to write the equation. Y equals 3x minus 2. Okay, let's do a negative graph. So number 3. So first you have to find the correct points. I see one here and then one here. And just a side note, that point right there is the x-intercept. The x-intercept is going to be where it crosses the x-axis. Just throwing that out there for free. But you don't need that to do the lesson for today or next time you come to class. The slope is going to be down 1 and to the right 2. And if you want to check that and find another point, I can use that one and then that one. And so it goes down 1 to the right 2, down 1 to the right 2. Excuse me. So the slope is negative 1/2. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. And that is at 1, positive 1. So now when we write the equation, it is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. Ta-da! And you're complete. So get this finished in class so that you can have a really good grade for today.